Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 15th, Polynomials, Section B, Tough. Let's start. A rectangular garden of length 2x cube plus 5x square minus 7 meters has perimeter of 4x cube minus 2x square plus 4 meters. Find the breadth of the garden. Quite simple. Forget this x concept. Think some number. Okay. Length is say 10. Perimeter is say 30. So, and it's a rectangle. So, what is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. So, 30 equals to 2 into 10 plus something. So, just solve it. Similar logic here also. L equals to 2x cube plus 5x square minus 7 meters. P equals to 4x cube minus 2x square plus 4 meters. But P equals to 2 into L plus B. Put the values. Therefore, 4x cube minus 2x square plus 4 equals to 2 into 2x cube plus 5x square minus 7 plus B. Solve for B. So, 2 gone here, 2 gone, and here every term has 2. So, it becomes 2x cube minus x square plus 2 equals to this 2 gone now. 2x cube plus 5x square minus 7 plus B. Right? So, next. Put b on one side, remaining everything on the other side. So it becomes 2x cube minus x square plus 2, this one, minus this whole term comes on the other side. Minus 2x cube plus 5x square minus 7. Right? Solve the brackets. You get 2x cube gone, minus x square, and here minus 5x square. Okay. So minus x square plus 2 minus 5x square, and this again plus 7. So solve it. It becomes minus 6x square plus 9 meters. This is the breadth. Check whatever answer is given in the exam. It's minus 6 x square. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.